Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a hair tutorial type of video, how I get my hair so sleek and shiny. So if you guys are interested to see how I got my hair this sleek and shiny, then just keep on watching. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you guys what I do to straighten my hair. It is already straightened. I will do a more in-depth, like from curly to straight routine later on down the road. I'm still trying out some new products, but I do want to mention these two new products that I just purchased, and I've used them a couple of times and I'm absolutely in love with them. So they're both from Garnier Fructis. I have the Flat Iron Protector Straightening Mist. It goes up to like 450 heat protection, and it leaves your hair straight for 48 hours. And then I have the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. This has argan oil, and this is for frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair. And this is what it looks like. So basically, what I do is I will part my hair. So I'm going to just split it in half and leave it clipped. And then I will part a little part of this part. Keep this up somewhere over here. Like that. And I have two different combs. I use this comb after I straighten it, but I mainly really just use this one. Sometimes I won't even use that one. This one is a much like finer comb, and it has like this part to help part your hair if you need that. So basically, you don't use this until the end, but you use this throughout. What I do is normally when I'm like unknotting my hair when it's curly, I will spray this lightly throughout the entire hair. But when I'm straightening it, I will spray some on each part, and you don't want to go crazy because it will leave it looking greasy and oily. So you just want to spray it from a distance, just one, and then you rub it in and then comb through it. And then that's all you do for the spraying part. I'm using my Foxy Bay flat iron. I love this thing. I've had this for over a year now. Way over a year, probably 2 years, because I had this when I was still like pregnant, and my son is about to be 2 in February. So probably like 2 years I've had this flat iron, and it goes all the way up to 450. It's, I want to say ceramic or maybe titanium plates. I'm not sure, but it works amazing. So right now it's heating up to 450, but it's already hot. So I'm gonna pass it through once, and I always start from the very top, and then I take my comb and follow it. And I like to go super slow because that's more effective, and it prevents you going over the same piece of hair like 20 times. Also, I like to pinch it at the very tip, because then I know for sure that every hair is getting some heat. And then just follow through with the comb. And voila. Like, it's nice and straight and shiny, and that is what I want when I straighten my hair. Shiny, sleek looking hair. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair in like super fast motion, and then show you guys the end results and how to use this at the end. Okay, so this is half of my hair done. Like, do you see how shiny it is and flat and sleek it is? Like, and it's not heavy, as you can see. It's super, super light. I absolutely love this heat protector. Like, I've been looking at this product on the shelf every time I go to Dollar General or go to Walmart and see it. I look at it and I debate so much. I've been looking at this product since I used to work at Dollar General, which was like 5-6 years ago, and I'm so happy that I finally purchased it because this is amazing. This is not like any other heat protector I use. Most of them are like more geared towards shining and not so much like leaving your hair looking sleek. This is sleek and shiny and soft and smooth. When you spray it, it doesn't weigh your hair down, so it's really nice and light, and it dries super fast. So even if you get it on the rest of your hair that you already straightened, you don't have to worry about it, which is amazing. I freaking love this thing. And I have pretty long hair, so this took me about like 5 to 10 minutes to do, and it normally takes me way longer. So yeah, and this is hair from yesterday, which is still super shiny and for the most part straight, but I don't wrap my hair when I sleep, so if I sweat or anything, it will get a bit wrinkly, or if I lay on it the wrong way, it'll get, you know, a bit wavy-ish. So I'm going to do this other half off camera, and then I will be back to show you how to use the serum. Okay, so I'm done with both sides of my hair. As you can see, they're both looking slayed. Like, sis. What? I love when my hair looks this dead straight. It's a whole vibe, you know? Okay, so to finish off my hair, I'm going to go in with the anti-frizz serum, which looks like this. Both of these products were like less than $5. I want to say they were both $3.75. So with this, you literally only need like 1 to 2 pumps, and even that is a bit too much. So I'll do 1 pump there. As you can see, super runny, super liquidy, not thick at all, so you already know it's not going to weigh your hair down like crazy. So I'll take 1 pump, rub it in my hands really, really good, and then just go over the top, and then run it through my hair. And then I will take a little bit more, like that much, rub it in again, and just focus this on the tips of my hair. You really want to get it in, because my tips really get frizzy like really quickly. So you definitely just want to run that in really nicely. And then your hands are going to be a little bit greasy, so wipe them off. So then I'm going to take this and then just run it through my hair. And that is that. Like, look at how my tips look. Like, super straight and nice and not dry and damaged. I mean, you can see a little bit of damage, but you know what I mean. Like, my hair looks so good. The shine is real. Like, I look like I just came out of a hair salon. And that is the goal. So yeah, that is how I get my hair nice and shiny and sleek and pin straight using these 2 products. Again, I just purchased them, and so far they have been working really well for me. This is already my 3rd time using them. So if you have been eyeing these products and been debating on buying them, I am here to tell you that you should definitely get them. So yeah, I mean, this is proof for yourself. It was already shiny without the serum, but the serum just gives it that like cherry on the top. So yeah, so that brings this video to an end. If you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think about how my hair came out, how it looks, if it looks oily, if it looks too straight, I don't know. Whatever you guys are thinking, drop it down below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. I would love to have you guys join the Rose family. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!